A production company in the film industry is firstly responsible for financially supporting the film. When it comes to smaller independent companies, some may band together to form a co-production in which they divide the expenses. The production company must organise the whole production, from pre-production, the actual production, and then the post-production. However, a separate body known as a distribution company could also be involved. Their job would be to actually make sure it is available to watch. Therefore, they would contact multiple cinemas where the target audience or market would be situated. This way, a greater amount of people would go to see it. They would also be in charge of marketing the film, ensuring that the right people know about the film's release. They would look into what media platforms to market it on, newspapers, TV, YouTube, social media, posters, and decide which ones would be appropriate for the target audience. If it was an animated film aimed at children, it would most likely go on TV and on posters around urban areas. However, if it was an adult comedy, it may be more appropriate to distribute it along newspapers and social media. Trainspotting is a co-production involving the companies Channel 4 Films, Figment Films and the Noel Gay Motion Picture Company. Channel 4 are well known for funding independent films. What made the film successful, apart from the storyline and themes, was the way it was marketed. Miramax Films flooded the market with postcards, posters, books, soundtrack albums, and a revamped music video for Lust for Life by Iggy Pop. This exemplifies the fact that marketing across multiple medias allows a greater percentage of the target audience to be informed of the release of the film. The Perks of Being a Wallflower was produced by Mr. Mudd Productions and presented and most likely distributed by Summit Entertainment. Summit Entertainment are a bigger company than those that were involved with Trainspotting. Summit Entertainment have produced films such as the Twilight Saga and the Divergent series. This means that they could market the film on a larger scale as they have a greater financial backing. Similarly, The Blind Side is produced by Left Tackle Pictures and Zuccanetta Productions, along with Alcon Entertainment who presented it. However, Warner Brothers distributed the film. They are a huge media conglomerate and are therefore able to mass market the film effectively. This is one of the biggest reasons why it raked in over $34 million on its opening night in the US. Yours Sincerely is produced by Iridescent Pictures, who receive generous donations from private investors and are linked with companies like the British Film Institute, who have funding from the National Lottery. This is why it has no need for other companies to join in to form a co-production, so that they can actually make the film. Although, it is distributed by Pebblestone Films, a production company who specialise in marketing and distributing. It would most likely get in contact with cinemas who do not usually show mainstream films, such as Picture House, who supply art houses and cinemas across the UK, screening both independent and mainstream films. Pebblestone Films would ensure that Yours Sincerely is marketed on the correct media platforms, such as newspapers, posters and social media, in order to inform the target audience of its release. This would effectively attract the right people to come and watch my media production.